Hi there, my name is Annalise with MojoDesk, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble your 3-laid corner desk. All these boxes that you see around me are what you can expect to show up at your home or business. We have 2 boxes for the desktop and 2 boxes for the base. We're going to go ahead and start by unboxing the 2 frame boxes and getting our parts organized. Go ahead and make sure that the boxes are upright. You'll know that they are upside down if you see this message. As a pro tip, we recommend keeping the packaging as it can be useful for protecting your desktop during assembly. I'm going to go ahead and open up the larger box first. Inside that box, you are going to find the 3 desk legs, mounting plates, control box, hardware, and power cords. Be sure that you go ahead and check all of the components, as some of the hardware might be inside of some styrofoam or some smaller boxes. Like in here, this is your hand controller. Also in this box, you are going to find your instructions guide, and if you don't want to assemble this yourself, we have a partnership with TaskRabbit, and you can find more information on that at MojoDesk.com. Now I've opened up the smaller box, and in that box you are going to find 3 feet, 3 side brackets, and 2 support beams. For step 1, we are going to attach the mounting brackets to the support beams. Included in your desktop box are the left and right side mounting templates. This can also be printed on our website underneath the instructions. For step 1, you are going to need 4C, 2E, and both Allen wrenches. I'm starting on the left side, and I've attached the left mounting bracket at an angle to match the template. Now I'm going to add the larger screw E and then 2 smaller ones C. Following the diagram supplied, you can see that it lines up perfectly. For maximum stability, you want to make sure that those bolts are nice and tight. That last little quarter turn helps. Now that our mounting brackets are nice and secure, we're going to attach all 3 legs. To attach the legs, you are going to need all 12 D-bolts and an Allen wrench. The first leg we are going to start with is the middle one, and you're going to attach 4 bolts per leg, making sure that each bolt is super tight. For the next step, I'm going to attach the feet to the legs, and I'm going to need 12 C-bolts and the Allen wrench. So grab 4 C-bolts and the Allen wrench per leg. Go ahead and flip the foot over, and you're going to attach each bolt. And now repeat that for the remaining 2 legs. Now we're going to move on to the next step of attaching all the side brackets. For this step, you're going to need all of your A bolts. You're going to need 2 per bracket, and you are going to need the Allen wrench. I'm going to attach the middle bracket first, so I'm going to line it up here with these bolts and go ahead and attach 2 A bolts, and go ahead and repeat that for the other 2 sides. The 2 pieces of our desktop connect directly in the center for ultimate stability on the frame. You connect them by these 3 points. Start with this one, and then these 2 lock with the Allen wrench. Additionally, we have these guides here on the back end of your desktop so that you know that they are connecting perfectly with your frame. And these holes here are for if you wanted to add in our CPU tower hanger. We're going to go ahead and connect your desktop together by those pieces that I just showed you. If you do not have carpet, I definitely recommend using the cardboard pieces to your desktop and flip them over like we have right here. This is going to be for easiest assembly. So we're going to go ahead and connect your desktop and then add your frame on top as it is upside down like this for easiest assembly. You know it's attached correctly when all of these lines line up like this. You can assemble the desk with the desktop on top of the frame. However, I find that it's easiest to do it this way. Looking at the frame on top of the desktop, you can see that the guidelines are now hidden, so you know everything is perfectly aligned. So how I did this is I loosened these 4 screws to pull out the frame. And now we're going to tighten them so everything is secure. When you are tightening these screws, you want to make sure that the support bar goes all the way in so that this hole is closed off. See, open, closed, open, closed. Otherwise, this screw is going to fall inside of the frame. Now it's time to attach the frame to the desktop. I'm going to start by adding these 4 screws from section F to the side bracket. And you're going to go ahead and repeat that on all the side brackets and at these points on the frame. And now we're going to connect all 3 legs and your hand controller to your control box, and your desk will be a fully functional sit-to-stand desk. It's best practice to have your hand controller and your control box on the same side of your desk. You can choose either the right or the left. It's up to you. Let's go ahead and show you how to do that. There are pre-drilled holes for you on the right or the left side, and you can just line up your control box with those pre-drilled holes. These are going to be the same screws from section F that we used earlier. Now we're going to go ahead and connect all the legs. I like to connect the middle one to the middle port, but it does not matter. First, we're going to connect the 2 closest legs to our control box. As you can see, this cord is too short, so I'm going to add the extender onto it, and then we can make our way over back to the control box. And now we're going to connect the power cord to the control box. Then we are going to flip over the desk and add the hand controller after. We add the hand controller after so we avoid damaging it during the flipping process. Some wire management tools that are included are these 3M zip ties. I recommend saving 2 of them to attach for your hand controller, and here's how we have attached them for the legs and the control box wires. And now let's go ahead and lift this desk. As mentioned before, you want to save some of the packaging. We are not on a carpeted surface, so this is going to just protect your desk. And now we're going to go ahead and attach your hand controller. You've got 2 ports, one that controls the USB charging point and the other one that controls the height of the desk. The clear one is going to go right here, and the white one can go into either slot. It does not matter. As mentioned, there are pre-drilled holes on either side, so you're going to go ahead and line up your hand controller with these 2 spots. And that's how you set up your 3-legged corner desk. I've gone ahead and programmed my hand controller, so I'm going to show you how you can just touch the button and walk away. Oh, and by the way, this desk pairs very nicely with our matching pre-assembled mobile filing cabinet. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we are here to help if you have any questions.